In the world of Forex trading, prices don't just move because of charts or indicators. Behind the scenes, it's often politics pulling the strings. Today on FX Limit, we're diving into the top 5 political factors that influence Forex markets and how staying aware of them can give you a serious trading edge. Let's start with interest rate decisions. Central banks, like the Federal Reserve or the European Central Bank, hold massive influence over currency values. And guess what? Their decisions are often politically influenced. A government might push for lower interest rates to stimulate growth, which can weaken the currency. On the flip side, higher interest rates, usually to control inflation, can make a currency more attractive to investors. As traders, when you hear news about central bank meetings or statements from policymakers, that's your signal to start paying attention. Next, we have elections. National elections can be chaotic, but they're also gold mines for currency movement. Leading up to an election, markets hate uncertainty. If the outcome is unclear, or if a candidate is seen as anti-business or unstable, investors may pull money out of that country, weakening its currency. Once the results are in, the market often reacts sharply, either recovering fast or plunging further, depending on the winner's policies. Smart traders prepare ahead of time, identifying likely scenarios and staying nimble. Third on our list is political instability. Think protests, government collapses, or surprise policy shifts. When there's uncertainty around a country's leadership, foreign investors get nervous. This nervousness leads to capital flight money moving out of the country and into safer havens like the US dollar or Swiss franc. A good example would be Brexit, which triggered years of volatility in the British pound. If you're trading currencies, always keep an eye on the political climate. Even rumors of instability can move the markets. Our fourth factor is international relations. Sanctions, trade deals, and diplomatic tensions can either boost or crush a currency. For instance, if two major economies are imposing tariffs on each other, like the US and China did during their trade war, their currencies can take a hit. On the other hand, a major trade agreement can give a currency a powerful boost. Following global news, especially involving economic superpowers, is a must for any serious Forex trader. And finally, let's talk about fiscal policy. This includes government spending and taxation. A government that overspends and runs up massive debt might see its currency decline because investors lose confidence in the economy's long-term health. Conversely, if a government is seen as fiscally responsible, its currency may strengthen. But here's the twist. Fiscal policies are deeply political. Every budget decision, tax cut, or spending program is tied to the political agenda of whoever is in power. So how do you stay ahead of all this? Well, you need to be informed, but you also need tools that can help you interpret this complex information quickly and accurately. That's where the Apex Trend Indicator comes in. It doesn't predict elections or forecast fiscal policy, but what it does do is analyze the market's reaction to these events in real time. When a new trend is forming, possibly because of a political decision, the Apex Trend Indicator highlights it instantly. You'll see arrows, signals, and clear buy or sell opportunities without needing to overthink it. The tool is especially useful when markets are reacting to unexpected news. You might not always catch the news first, but the market's reaction is right there on your chart. With its non-repainting signals and accurate trend detection, the Apex Trend Indicator helps you stay aligned with what the big players are doing, those who are already shifting positions based on political developments. So while politics might seem like a world away from your charts and indicators, the truth is they're deeply connected. Understanding these 5 political factors and being equipped with tools like the Apex Trend Indicator can make all the difference in your trading results. Thanks for watching FX Limit, and remember, in Forex, knowledge is power, but execution is everything.